Afford limited. Start your DIY. Invest in journey basics today. Start, learn, take action and grow. Yeah. Start, learn, take action and grow. Yeah.
Start the investment journey.
Start the investment journey. Investing is a path that calls, a path that waits, a path that grows. In New Zealand, the land of opportunity, the Afford Limited took our first step from 2007. Step into the investment sector, learn and grew by taking action, buying our first investment. Taking the first step is the key. Take that first step, start today. Afford Limited want to share with you how we began, how we kept going, how you can too. This is about investing basics. Afford Limited style, simple, clear, rhythmic, ready for you. Yeah, invest in basics. Groundwork. Afford Limited, start with the basics. The basics are strong, the basics are simple, the basics are clear. Read investment notes and books. What is investing? Investing is planting seeds, seeds that grow money, seeds that grow wealth. In New Zealand, we plant seeds in shares, bonds, property and funds. Why invest? Because saving alone is slow. Because inflation eats money. No. Because money should work hard, work smart, and work in your favor. Where to start? Start with knowledge, start with the plan. Start with small steps that build. We read, we watch, we listen. We took action and bought investments. We learn about Kiwi Saver shares on the NZX, ASX, US market, UTS, crypto and managed funds. We learn about risk, we learn about reward. Afford Limited, learn today is all we got. And started buying investment with small costs from 2007. Not large amount of money invested. We learn about time is our friend. Invest, time is today. How much to start? Start with what you can. 50 guys, 100s, 200s. Start small, start steady, start now. How can I make 1,000 a month passively? Afford Limited, ask ourselves this question. We ask it often. 1,000 a month, passive, easy, real. Step 1, understand passive income. Passive income means money flows in even when we sleep. Rental income, dividends, interest, and royalty. Step 2, choose your path. Rental property, shares that pay dividends, peer-to-peer lending, online businesses. Step 3, calculate the numbers to make 1,000 in a month. I need 12,000 a year. If my shares pay 5% dividends, I need 240,000 invested. If my rental property yields 6%, I need 200,000 invested. Step 4, start small, grow big. We start with 1,000, we have 500 a month. We reinvest dividends, we save rent profits. We watch our money grow. Step 5, stay patient and consistent. Passive income is slow at first, but steady, reliable, growing. Building your portfolio, simple steps to start. We build, our portfolio grows. The Afford Limited future grows. Step 1, diversify. We don't put all eggs in one basket. Shares, bonds, property, cash, different sectors, different risks. Step 2, use low-cost funds, managed funds and ETFs. Keep fees low, fees eat returns high, keep fees small. Step 3, automate investing. We set up regular payments. We invest without thinking, we invest without stress. Step 4, monitor and adjust. Afford Limited, check our portfolio. We rebalance yearly, we keep our goals in sight. Step 5, keep learning, markets change. Afford Limited, change with them. We read, we listen, we grow. The power of DIY, do it yourself. Investing, we take control, we take charge. Afford Limited, did it ourselves. DIY investing means freedom. Freedom to choose, freedom to learn, freedom to grow. We use resources, we use tools, we use platforms that helps the Afford grow. We use knowledge that empowers us. We found yeahh investing NZ to be a great guide. It helped anyone start. It helped beginners to grow. DIY investing is not just for experts. It's for anyone who wants to build wealth. It's for anyone who wants to be free. Your journey awaits. We keep moving. We keep learning. We keep growing. Investing is a journey with ups and downs, a journey with lessons and wins. Afford limited, stay patient, we stay focused, we stay committed. You can too, start today, start small, start small. The future is yours, the future is bright, the future is waiting. Start your journey, start your growth, start your DIY investing. Wherever you are using your smartphone, laptop, start now, today is all we have. Start investing today. Afford limited. Start your DIY. Invest in journey basics today. Start, learn, take action and grow. Yeah. Start, learn, take action and grow. Yeah.
Start the investment journey.
Start the investment journey. Investing is a path that calls, a path that waits, a path that grows. In New Zealand, the land of opportunity, the Afford Limited took our first step from 2007. Step into the investment sector, learn and grew by taking action, buying our first investment. Taking the first step is the key. Take that first step, start today.